on this one, alright, this is what's the sum of the first 35 terms. Okay, so we're going to have to switch formulas for part of this. Alright, so the formula for this, remember, S sub n is equal to n over 2 times a1 plus a sub n. Alright, now, let's find out what we know. How many terms do we have? Alright, so n is equal to 35. Okay, and then a1 is going to be 7. Okay, but what are we missing to use this formula? The last term, so we're going to have to go find it first. Okay, so a sub n, which is the 35th term, is going to be equal to, we're just going to have to use our both formulas basically. A1 7, okay, plus our difference. What's our common difference? Yeah. That's the 35th term. Alright, but 2 is our common difference. N was 35, so it would be 35 minus 1. Okay. So our 35th term, go ahead and do that and tell me what the 35th term is. Yeah, so we should come up with 75 for our 35th term. Alright, now once we find our 35th term, it just becomes what we've been doing. You're going to plug it into the formula. So it's going to be 35 over 2, okay, is equal to A1, which is 7, plus 75. Okay, is equal to S sub n, which is the sum of the series. Okay, so S sub n, so we're just going to kind of plug all this in. So it's 75 plus 7, yeah, 82, and then I don't care. You can plug all this in the calculator. You don't really have to go through the steps. And then 35 divided by 2 will give us 17.5. Then we're just going to multiply the two together. And we end up with, right, 1,435 for our sum. Okay, and that's S sub n. So the only difference is you had to go find something first, because you were just given the first 3 terms, but you can find the 35th term based off that information.